Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to get PGNs in chess.com, both in your desktop or PC and in your mobile device. So we are going to begin with desktop or PC. So once you logged into your account, just scroll down until you see your game history and just choose whatever game or whatever completed game that you want to get the PGN from. So for example, we choose this one and we are here in this board right here. Once you have finished your analysis, you want to click on this magnifying glass on the upper right corner of your screen like so. Once you are here, you want to click on the three dots here on the lower right corner like so. This pop-up will appear and you want to click on share game. This pop-up will appear, and as you can see here, you have PGN, image, GIF, embed. So just click on PGN and click download, or you can actually copy the clipboard so you can send the link to whoever. So that is how you do it on your PC. When it comes to mobile, you want to, again, same thing. You need to go look at whatever history or whatever completed match you have. Choose that, like so. And here, click on options. Once you have your options, you want to click on share game. So all you need to do is copy this link here, and you'll be able to get your PGN on mobile. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.